We live in an era of unprecedented change. Change that is affecting all aspects of our lives. Increasingly, everyone is looking for an organization that they can trust and that proactively responds to their real needs. Indian Bank has emerged a perfect fit for that. As a common man's bank, providing all financial products and services under one roof, at affordable cost and in a fair and transparent manner to all the customers. It has been touching lives since 15th August 1907 when it was established as a part of the Swadeshi movement. With a magnificent legacy of over a century, it continues to offer its customers an advanced banking experience powered by wise thinking and modern technology. With about 10,000 customer touchpoints across the nation, last mile connectivity is ensured.
In FY 2018-19, Indian Bank was amongst the top 4 banks in key parameters like business, profitability, asset quality and productivity. Global business crossed rupees 4 lakh crores, registering a growth of 15.89% year on year. By being a bank declaring profit consistently for over a decade, it stands as one of the top performing public sector banks in India.
Because banking needs are as varied as we are, Indian Bank offers a financial solution for every individual and institution. Home loan, a flagship loan that is continuously improvised to accommodate rising real estate costs, overheads and life expectancy.
Indian Bank provides varieties of services which are not available in a single roof in any other branches.
IB Surbhi SB account, on the other hand, helps a woman, be a homemaker or a working girl, be more independent by offering benefits on withdrawals, lockers, shopping, loans besides insurance coverage.
The proof of the pudding is in the eating. Then this is immense proof that I have been banking with Indian Bank. I've got my savings bank account, I have my FD accounts, I have my PPF accounts.
Technology has penetrated our lives. We at Indian Bank have taken not only the natural step of emboldening our digital banking channels, but also gone a step forward to educate our customers and public at large in making safe use of them.
IT and marketing certainly plays a pivotal role for development of the products and reach to the customer according to their needs.
Our curated schemes for senior citizens, whether on loans or investment options, is a hit with the elderly who appreciate the special care we take of them.
I have been associated with this bank, the Indian Bank, from the 90s.
By availing SME, secure or trade finance, Dr. Plus or IB contractor, many and MSME units have flourished and contributed remarkably to India's economy.
We have partnered with Indian Bank. We have never looked back. It is not only that the bank has supported us, but through us, the bank has also supported the 500 families. Definitely want to thank Indian Bank in being partner with us throughout our journey, which we have planned.
To provide thrift, credit and other financial services to the poor, self-help groups are a critical enabler and we in turn enable them with our many SHG linkage programs. Under the large minor rates of growth, however, lies a solid foundation of agriculture, and Indian Bank has been a champion of its prosperity since its inception.
Bank is totally with us. The managers are visiting here every month, so they have seen what's going on over here, and we discussed and we had a separate funding for poultry as well.
Our corporate social responsibility initiatives, we continue working towards multifarious causes like women empowerment, health and hygiene, and environmental upgradation. But we know there is a long road ahead and still so much more to do.
Customer centricity is our focus. We are already collaborating with fintech partners to make banking products and services safer for you, besides enabling our workforce to develop their skill sets and serve you better.
Bank is playing a good role here through continuous innovations of the product and meeting the requirement of the customers.
We are pursuing a better contact center, chatbot-enabled services, business analytics, and more automated channels.
At MSME Desk, we don't just extend loans towards MSME sector. We also look to handhold them to diversify business and provide them with necessary tools.
Every day, we put our heads together so you can hold your head high.
The bank is founded on strong values and ethics, and that is why, from humble beginnings in Chennai, we have grown into a major pan-India bank. The bank is making available all its offerings in both physical and digital form to all its customers as they need it, when they need it, and where they need it. We reiterate our unflinching commitment to our esteemed customers and pledge to grow together.
At Indian Bank, being Indian is our way and being universal is our spirit. Indian Bank, your own bank.